Sairam students, I am your GK teacher Smita Miss. Today we will start our first chapter of GK. First lesson, Know the Indian state Manipur. Manipur is state in northeastern part of India. This state was formed on 21st January 1972. It has 16 districts. The nickname of Manipur is the Jewel of India. Now, take out your book and pen. We will start our question answer session. Let us see first question. What is the capital of Manipur? Option A, Shillong. Option B, Agartala. Option C, Imphal. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Next question. Which is principal language of Manipur? Option A, Lepcha. Option B, Bhojpuri. Option C, Manipuri. Manipuri is the principal language of Manipur. Next question. What is the total area of Manipur in square kilometers? Option A, 22,327. Option B, 22,237. Option C, 22,732. The total area of Manipur is 22,327 in square kilometers. Area wise, this state is 23rd in India. Next question. Which Asian country is located to the south of Manipur? Option A, Myanmar. Option B, Bangladesh. Option C, Nepal. Myanmar is country located to the south of Manipur. Next question. Which Indian state is located to the north adjacent to Manipur? Option A, Tripura. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Mizoram. Nagaland is state located to the north adjacent of Manipur. Next question. Which is only major power project in Manipur state? Option A, Bhakra Nangal. Option B, Loktak. Option C, Hirakud. Loktak is the only major power project in Manipur state. This is Loktak power station. Loktak power station is multi-purpose storage scheme to harness the hydropower potential of Loktak Lake. It is fed by Khuga and Imphal River. Loktak Lake is located in Chaurachandpur district of Manipur. Next question. What is the main occupation of the people of Manipur? A, hunting. B, factories. C, farming. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Manipur. Next question. Which is popular Hindu festival of Manipur state? Option A, Rath Jatra. Option B, Pongal. Option C, Holi. Holi, festival of the color, is festival of Manipur state. Next question. Tell two important industries of Manipur. Options. A, sericulture. B, locomotives. C, bamboo and cane goods. Sericulture and bamboo and cane goods are two important industries of Manipur. This is sericulture and this is bamboo and cane goods. Handlooms, handicrafts, food processing, information technology, hydropower, tourism, mineral-based products, and many more industries are there in Manipur. Next question. Tell two important fruits grown in Manipur. Option A, oranges. Option B, pineapples. Option C, mangoes. Oranges and pineapples are fruits grown in Manipur. Fruits like banana, guava are also grown in Manipur. Pineapples from Manipur are good in quality. Next, fun facts. Did you know? Key monastery of 14,000 feet in Spiti, Himachal Pradesh is the highest monastery in the world. Now let us see our second chapter, Sports Stadium. Everybody likes sports very much. In this chapter, we will see where is stadium located in India. First question, where is Shivaji Cricket Stadium located? Shivaji Cricket Stadium located in Kolhapur in the state of Maharashtra. Shivaji Stadium was established in the year 1952. Capacity of this stadium is around 50,000. Next question, where is Talkatora Indoor Stadium located? Talkatora Indoor Stadium located in New Delhi. This upgraded stadium was inaugurated on 25th February 2010. Capacity of this stadium is around 3035. Next question, where is Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium located? Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium is located in Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. This stadium was established in 12 November 1983. Capacity of this stadium is around 1,10,000. This is a cricket stadium. Next question, where is Ranji Stadium located? Ranji Stadium is located in Kolkata in the state of West Bengal. Next question, where is Chepauk Stadium located? Chepauk Stadium located in Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. This stadium is also known as M.A. Chidambaram Stadium. It was established in the year 1960. Capacity of this stadium is around 54,000. It is a cricket stadium. It is second oldest cricket stadium in India after Eden Garden Stadium in Kolkata. Next question, where is Baramati Stadium located? Baramati Stadium located in Cuttack in the state of Odisha. This stadium was established in 1958 and the capacity of this stadium is around 48,000. This is cricket and football stadium. Next question, where is Yadavendra Stadium located? Yadavendra Stadium located in Patiala in the state of Punjab. This stadium was established in 1948. It is the part of famous Yadavendra Public School. Next question. Where is Nahar Singh Stadium located? Nahar Singh Stadium located in Faridabad in the state of Haryana. Previously, this stadium was known as Mayur Stadium. It is cricket stadium. This stadium was established in 1981 and capacity of this stadium is 25,000. Next question. Where is Dhyan Chandra Astroturf Stadium located? Dhyan Chandra Astroturf Stadium located in Lucknow in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is a field hockey stadium which is named after famous Indian hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Capacity of this stadium is around 10,000. Next question. Where is Green Park Stadium located? Green Park Stadium located in Kanpur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1945 and the capacity of this stadium is around 32,000. It is a cricket stadium. Next question. Where is Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium located? Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium located in Hyderabad in the state of Telangana. It was established in 1950 and the capacity of this stadium is around 30,000. It is cricket and football stadium. Formerly, this stadium was known Fateh Maidan. Next question. Where is Savai Mansingh Stadium located? Savai Mansingh Stadium is located in Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan. This stadium was established in 1969 and capacity is around 30,000. It is a cricket stadium. Now let us see fun fact. Did you know? Salt Lake Stadium of Kolkata, West Bengal is the largest stadium in the world. It can accommodate around 1,20,000 people. Now we will see next chapter in next period. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.